A heavy police presence remains in Sealots this evening in the wake of the killing of reputed gang member Akini Dole Adams. Reports are that Dole and another man known as Bulls were shot by members of the interagency task force this afternoon during a police exercise in the area. Following the incident, Sealots residents blocked the roadway and more officers were called in to deal with protesting residents. They remain in Sealots keeping the peace.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country squad, country boss, 306, nuclear Rastaman, rebel. Everybody big up themselves, all the subscriber. Look at the screen in front of you. I'm taking you guys to Trinidad and Tobago. I guess Tobago. This is the Rasta City gang. And on the left is Mr. Akini Dole Chadi Adams, aka Dole. And on the right, I'm right-hand man that Bull. Them live in a place named Sealot in a Trinidad. And the youth on the left side, the leader of the gang, Akini Dole Chadi Adams. Police them slap him way. Me I tell you no why. That boy are dangerous. And the Jamaican bully and Waldy this yo for Trinidad. So the police them say a long time them in the on them radar, and him did in a lockup before. Him just come out, just like how Waldy did come out of prison. Him come out like a day. The police them say are two. But police them say the special operation unit them get a link on him and them pull up on him in our house and him and him friend in there. And as usual, them say boy him pull out and thing, and them did have a shootout and them have to slap him way. You understand? Him and another youth in the gang, named Cedric, them did get arrested prior, and then them release them. Cause them did have them, like me say, underneath investigation for a bag of things we are going. But what's kind of sketchy in this report, the police them I say one thing, but when you look on the report, them are saying him is reputed, him are one of the biggest thing that ever come out of Port of Spain. If you look on the man chain them and all the man a rocket dog and him and him friend them, they have some other picture. But there is a sketchy part of this. So I just go tell him story. Let's move on with the equation now. No, the youth didn't make a bag of money, Cause just as them slap him, him buy a new Range Rover, as you can see in the video in front of you. But according to the police, and you have a councillor, a member of parliament in the area, when named Ramona Ramdial. She has said, boy, the police them tell her say him line up 7 fishermen to get slap way. You understand? And at that, the former police commissioner Gary Griffith, they tell her. So the police them say when them get them acted up on that information, them say Akini Dole Adams was the mastermind behind the robbery and the slapway of the 7 fishermen and the IC. Them say them did find certain things like 4 engine stolen from the slapper man them fishing vessel. Rounish Bar, Mr. Adams, Akini Dole Adams did there. Them say this is the funny part now. I guess when them get the information, them go look for him. And up and go look for him, he must have put out on them. Just like Jamaica. Same thing, you know. Because you have the Muslim gang and then you have the Rasta City gang. The youth was one of the leaders, the big time man. He get slapped with. Couple more of them get slapped with. Depends on how that video you go. I go put up some more. But these are the thing now. The police them say, oh, ever. The police say them still investigate the circumstance around the attack on the fisherman. And them continue to pursue our leads. So it just kind of funny. Jamaica, Trinidad are the same thing. You understand? Jamaica, Trinidad are the same thing. I have to say that, but I like. Because the police them say, based on them information conducted, them conducted some search for marine land and the sea, and them find 6 kilo or some bob, and them find a kilo of some of the girl, and them find some ammunition and some machine, and I guess after that go down them start with them search. But as me go back and say, the reason why them come to the youth here, him was there, him did upon them radar. The people them won't talk. Even when the police them slap him away, people them block the road. Them so the police them wicked, them this and that, them acid and cold fat. But the police them apparently, like what them say, them get the report say him mix up in the robbery and the slapway of the fisherman them, and them locate him at one spot, and the spot where them locate him in apparently he must have pull off on them, and as so comes him get dash way. Let's move on. Now the youth here, Akini Dole Adams, feel name and call up in enough thing, because you have a brother named Sandman, him and his wife, and Sandman have 2 bodyguards get slapped with. I remember that thing, I do a story upon that. Them say Sandman are one of the biggest hustler out there, and them say him was a part of that. Them say him also buy a Range Rover, which you see the picture right there, so for $700,000 cash. Trinidadian dollars. So, you know it's 4-1 for the US. And them have oil. His mother was also upset, saying in slapper never show, say him have no gun, no shootout, and she did want to do an autopsy. Because actually want somebody else look on that. Them say him was a big time target, and there's some reports say him brethren Bull get slapped with the police, and there's some reporters say him not get slapped with. But the police them pretty much them still a stick to the story. Now at 2021, and them still a stick to the same story, which them say him name did call, and them went to go investigate. Upon going in there, him pull out, and that happened. You understand? So yeah. So that's a same story going. He was a young youth, 26. You know what I'm saying? When him get dirt out and thing. And you know, did that make a lot of money, them I say, yo, we mix up in enough little thing. So this is the first video upon him. I go dig deeper. Cause a Rasta City gang leader this, one of them. You have a couple more of them. And them and the Muslim gang did a war. Now them did call a truce. I don't know what go on this about. I will explore some more and link some of my sources, them and thing, and find out what go on. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And let me know what you think about this video. Because like I said, I'm going to do a story on Sandman. This dude here, Dole Adams, them say him fling with Sandman, appear mix up in a Trinidad. Countryman, I'm out.